Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Michael Zuber, author of One Rental at a Time. And if you don't know, we do a daily financial news show, 7:30 a.m. Pacific time, 6 days a week. And yes, on Thursdays, we do it at 7 a.m. because I believe it's important that I share with you consistently what I am seeing going on in the market. I've been studying markets for the better part of 3 decades, actively investing in real estate and making decisions about money and loans and consumers and all of that. And I just take notes and talk into a camera now for about 12 to 15 minutes a day. If you're a daily viewer, thank you. Our daily viewership now is topping out usually above 2,000 views a day. And if you're a new subscriber, realize I produce a lot of original content. None of it is edited. It's just all live, just for you to consume. Where you get a daily news show at 7 days a week. You get experts Monday through Friday. You get special guest appearances like yesterday. Man, if you haven't watched that interview with John Burns Consulting, Rick Palacios Jr., you need to. It was Investor Mania 2.0. Rick studies the single family housing market like very, very few people. I would suspect when you think about hedge funds and all of these deep pocket investors, there might be 100 people in the entire US that study single family like Rick. You need to watch that. It's 45 minutes long. I decided to do it as one long video versus chopping it up. And again, Investor Mania 2.0, my takeaways are single family is now a proven asset class. And that means the rich are coming. That means builders are changing business models. And you and I need to go get some single family homes because they're going to be a lot more expensive in the future. Rents are going to go up. It's just where the yield play is today. So again, do me a favor. If you have Twitter, give Rick a follow. I look at him, look at what he produces every day on Twitter. It's rickpalaciosjr.com. There's a how to spell his name is in the video yesterday. So give him a shout out. And then, I don't know, what was it? 4 months ago, I told all of you that I was moving 1% of my net worth into crypto. I was staying with the big boys, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, a couple other ones. But man, this Dogecoin comes out of nowhere, and people are hitting me up on Instagram, hit me up on this YouTube channel, telling me to go all in. And I finally produced a PowerPoint just for them. It's actually loading right now. Oh, just finished. It'll go live at 8 a.m. And it talks about why everyone should drop everything and buy Dogecoin right now. Just kidding. There's no reason to buy that damn thing. But I give you 7 or 8 reasons why. It's just, I created it as a, are you serious? Are you guys really telling me to put my hard-earned capital into this thing? Are you kidding me? So take a look at it. It's only 6 minutes long. I tried to do it without laughing because it is just comical. But, I thought I'd have some fun. It's Friday after all. So on to the daily financial news. I'm sorry, that was 3.5 minutes of nothing. Let's talk housing first. Just like last month, I've already seen headlines that say housing is crashing. I Statistics, if you want to look at a statistic, you can make it say whatever you want. So this is what they're saying. Housing crashed. I don't know. I can't believe their editors let them publish this nonsense. What happened is sales were down 3.7%. That's true. And why is that? We ask. If you follow this channel, you know why. That's because we have 1 million properties, generally speaking, available for sale, and we should have 3.3 in a normal market. Yes, if you have that much less homes, you're going to sell less homes. These people. So giving you some details about why housing is not crashing. Yes, sales went down 3.7%. Actually 8% in the West, which I thought was interesting. West is where I happen to be. I thought that was interesting. Price, value, whatever you want to call it. The median home price now $329,100. That is up 17.2% year on year. That is the largest increase I recall. That's even bigger than 2005 when I thought 2005 was nonsense. 17.2%. Just crazy. Talking about inventory. Inventory was already low last year. It is now 28.2% lower than last year. Let me get this right. Inventory's down 28%. Sales were only down 3. Days on market crashing. We don't count weeks anymore, folks. We count days. That is not normal. Days on market 18. That's just funny. Oh my God, 18 days on market. There are signs that people are already starting to list property. It's coming. I'm telling you, we will be at 2 million available homes probably in 100, maybe 130 days. Inventory is coming. Consumers have taught me in 30 years, they move in mass. They move together. Last year, we told them to stay home and we scared them. We didn't want people touching our stuff. Everybody had cooties, and we didn't want to invite anybody over with cooties. That's whatever. That's what we told them to do. Now people are getting vaccinated. We got greater than 50% of the U.S. adults with at least one jab. We're going to feel better. We're in the light. We talked about it, right? We got unemployment claims yesterday, again, setting a crisis low. So things are getting better day by day, week by week, month by month. And people are going to list their home. They're going to start looking around going, honey, this home's kind of small, right? We're working from home more. Kids are around more. We might want a bigger backyard. Do we want a pool? Do you want to be by the golf course? Do you want a new home? Oh, consumers are coming. It's coming. So again, they're going to list. They're going to buy. It's going to be fun. We still need to do your homework. You need to find good deals. Again, what I took from Rick's 45 minutes yesterday, folks, is you want to get yourself some single family. I was excited before. I'm more excited now. I'm doing the work every day. I'm going to get me some more houses because that's what people want in the future. And frankly, I wouldn't mind. I got to put it this way. I wouldn't mind if my entire portfolio was single family homes. That's how bullish I am on single family going forward. It's never going to be. I already have apartments. I bought them right, but take it for what it's worth. Next up, we got Tesla. Man, Tesla's been having a rough couple of days. Obviously, you got Consumer Reports doing some kind of nonsense. I mean, I can't believe that was actually published. Consumer Reports basically showed people how to mess around with their Tesla in a non-safe manner. Really? We're going to hang change from the steering wheel to trick the car into being... That should not have been allowed. But for me, what's going on in China is a bigger deal, right? I shared with you a couple of days ago that Tesla sees China potentially being the biggest market for Tesla. Makes sense. But their reputation isn't all that good right now. Citing sources in the Chinese government, they're calling Tesla arrogant. That's probably fair. When I think Elon Musk, he's a smart son of a gun. Arrogant? I could see that, right? And again, China's a managed economy, top down, all that stuff. If they didn't want Tesla there, they'd shut them down, right? I'm not saying that's happening. It's just the rule of law doesn't really exist over there. So you got to mind your P's and Q's, and you got to, kiss the ring every once in a while. So we'll see what happens there. We got some, again, signs that the world's going to be a happier place. Disneyland is opening shortly, but we've also have IMAX being upgraded. Again, think about industries that have easy compares versus companies that have tough compares. Nothing better than probably movie theaters and Netflix. Netflix came out Wednesday, something like that. Basically said, ouch, we pulled forward a lot of demand. We had 10 million new subs. Now we only have 1 million. Their stock got hit. But IMAX just got some upgrades because you know what? Blockbusters are coming. Fast and Furious franchise is coming out. Other blockbusters are in the can. They're going to be coming out in the summer. It could be a good time to own movie theater stock going forward. We shall see. Another one that reported yesterday, again, just showing you the consumer is spending. Mattel, think toys. I always think Barbie, but I know they're more than that. Mattel, a lot of toys being sold, people taking their stimulus checks and buying toys, getting them off screens, which is a good idea, and letting them actually be kids and play with toys. I did think it was interesting. They beat top, beat bottom, raised guidance, but still lost 10 cents a share. What is wrong with your cost structure that you're still losing money when you have a record quarter? Something's not right. Then we have Intel, kind of the old tech, once again coming out and disappointing. They basically lowered their expectations, so their stock's going to get hammered. Next up, American Express. This is one I talked about last weekend. We were going to watch and see what the consumers are doing. Amex, my opinion, kind of like middle class plus, right? It's. I actually don't even have an Amex card, but you know the quote unquote rich do. It was interesting to see Amex miss. What does that mean? What are people conserving again? I don't know, but I did think that was interesting. So, again, we are going to have a wonderful Friday. I am a little bit nervous about all the pain going on in the highly leveraged crypto and stock environment. Remember, crypto got hit last weekend. Lots of margin calls last weekend. I think it was 1 million people got flushed and their accounts drained to zero because of margin calls. And today's another bloodbath. I wonder how much more people highly leveraged or margin players are getting smoked. But we're going to walk into a weekend. If it has another leg down, if you're on margin, watch out. That's why I don't go on margin. I have what I have. I own it. You can't take it from me. It's an insurance policy. I will just wait. It goes to zero or it goes to the moon. I don't care, but we shall see what happens. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Remember, today's a great day to make some money. Let's be better than yesterday. Bye-bye.